Hi guys, welcome to my channel Sparky Divas. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you my skincare haul. I got few stuff for my skincare routine, so I thought let's share it with you guys. And I also talk about some of the products that I use for my skincare routine. Before jumping into the video, please click on the subscribe and bell button so that you can notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. So first I got this Kaya Skin Clinic daily use sunscreen, and it has some SPF in it. So I prefer to use sunscreen in winter as well because there's always a sun, so I cannot skip my sunscreen. So that I got this Kaya Skin Clinic sunscreen. Then I got few of the sheet masks from the Innisfree because Innisfree has some sales. So I got this much of sheet masks in buy one get one free offer. I got pretty much all the variants from the sheet mask range. So then first I got this in Innisfree it's real squeeze mask in the variant green tea. Then I got in the variant aloe vera. Then I got blackberry. Then I got green tea again. Then I got tree. Then I got in the flavor strawberry and two of the rose, and again one more from the rose variant. Then I have this manuka honey flavor. Then again strawberry. Then again strawberry. Again strawberry. Again strawberry. Two of the kiwi masks. These masks are really good. These are really moisturizing and just leaves my skin so supple and so glowy, and my skin feels really moisturized. These sheet masks are really affordable, and these are by the Innisfree, so the quality of these sheet masks are really good. So that's why I got this much of sheet masks. Then I got this olive oil, and it's by Solfrat. This is how the outer packaging looks like, and olive oil is very essential for me in the winter because I really love to apply in my hair as well as on my skin. I use it as facial oil and I use it as hair oil as well. So it's very multi-purpose oil for me in the winter, and this is how the olive oil looks like, and it's a cold pressed olive pure natural carrier oil, so it's very good for my hair and for my skin. If you want me to do a video on how to use olive oil for my skin and how I used to for my hair, so then comment below. I would love to do that for you guys. Then I got this Organic Harvest under eye gel in winter because my under eye area tends to get dry, so it's very nourishing for my under eye area, and it also helps to keep my dark circles at the bay. And this is how the actual packaging looks like. It's by Organic Harvest, so it's very organic product, so that's why I go for this under eye gel. Then I got this Vitamin E Aqua Boost Sorbet by the Body Shop. I haven't used it yet, and it also has vitamin E, and again vitamin E is really good for skin, so that's why I got this. Also I got this Eba Halal Care Aloe Aqua Refreshing Face Spray. It's very affordable, and really wanted to try this face spray. I just going through the face spray section on the online site, so I find this, and it has some aloe vera in it, so it's very refreshing, and it also has some fragrance in it, so it's very refreshing to my skin, really moisturize my skin as well. So I got this. Then I got few of the face masks for my skin because nowadays my skin is more tend towards acne. First I got this Lotus Herbal Tree Clarifying Face Pack. It's very affordable. Lotus is very known to their skincare product, so I got this, although I haven't used it, so I'm yet to try this. Then I got this face mask. This is a Just Herb Insta Glow Almond Complexion Pack. The packaging is really attractive. It has gold shiny packaging. It came in this glass tub, and the packaging is really cute, and it's very elegant as well. I'm also yet to try this as well, so I just open it and show it to you guys. This is how this mask looks like. It says that it's the Instagram. I got this mask for the glowy effect for my face. Then I got this Vedic line Choco Cherry Mud Pack. It's a chocolate mud pack, and chocolate is also known to very glowy skin. So Vedic line is also very good affordable brand, so I just wanted to give it a try as well. So that's why I got this, and this is also very affordable. So for my daily moisturizer, I use this moisturizer. This is the oil free moisturizer, dry area and control, shines in area Neutrogena moisturizer. It's a dermatologist recommended. I really love this moisturizer. I've been using this since few year now, I guess. I have already used 2-3 bottles of it, and this is how the actual product looks like. It comes with this pump which makes it very easier to take out the product, and it's very convenient to use it, and it's also travel friendly because it has this plastic tube in. The texture of this moisturizer is really nice and is really light on my skin. My skin cannot bear any heavy moisturizer, so I really like to use very light moisturizer without being heavy, so that's why I use this moisturizer. So it's really nice to use on my skin. Then I got this Olay Natural White 7-in-1 cream. It also has some SPF in it, and SPF 24 in it with PA++. This cream is really nice. I really like this in summer, and I really like this in winter as well, because so it's very good moisturizer for my skin. My skin really likes the light moisturizer, so all the moisturizer that I got are really light and in textures, and this is very affordable as well. And this cream is, after applying this cream, my skin feels so glowy and so healthy, so it's really nice moisturizer if you want to give it a try. So it's highly recommended from my side. Then I got this Kama Ayurveda Lavanya Natural Plant Mask. I haven't used it. It comes in this powder form with this cute little steel jar pack. Kama Ayurveda is very known brand for their skincare range as well, so I just wanted to get some product from that brand. So I thought let's try this brand from the pack, so that's why I got this pack. And I already have the rose water from the same brand, so although I don't know what this mask will do to my skin, I'm yet to try this as well. It's a blend of herbs traditionally used for skincare. Sweet flag and licorice keep skin young and have antimicrobial properties. Lodra is a blood purifier that cleanses the micronutrition channels of the skin. So effective for acne and blemishes. That's why I got this. I go through these lines before buying it. So nowadays my skin is very prone to acne, so that's why I got this. So maybe it will help to my acne. And lastly, I have this Aroma Treasure tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is really good for acne prone skin. I am using this tea tree oil since the day I got this, and it's very affordable as well. And there are so many brands that sells tea tree oil, so this one is very affordable. That's why I got this from this brand, and it's very affordable. Tea tree is really good for my skin. I am using the tea tree oil for my skin to get rid of my acne and acne scars, so it's very good for my skin. And this is how this cute little bottle looks like. It's a pure essential oil, so it's really good for my skin and might be really good for your skin. So this is the pretty much about this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below. I would love to read them, and if you have any query or request, you can comment below. I will love to do that. And you can also follow me on all my social media. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.